Breaking news. Restoration of empire is the endgame for Russia's Vladimir Putin. Family devastated by death sentence on British national by pro-Russian court in Ukraine. Mariupol at risk of cholera outbreak as Russia struggles to provide basic services, says UK intelligence. US defense chief says China must cling neighbors, plundering resources in Pacific. North Korea appoints nuclear negotiator as first woman foreign minister. Boris Johnson is still in charge, but behind closed doors, rivals are plotting his ouster.